following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, western McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., Doppler radar indicated...
Hold on, I'm checking IEM bot.
Very heavy rain across the Boone area. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing very heavy rain.
Yep, Theta Coman, this is for you.
Inches of rain have
Hope I
already
pronounced that
fallen,
right.
with locally higher amounts over 3 inches. Across the Boone area. Flash flooding thunderstorms are expected to be source. Radar indicated. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Rockford, Boone, Belvedere, Woodstock, Loves Park, McHenry Park.
I'm sorry, Beloit's in Rock, not Winnebago.
Rockford Airport, Hunley, Roscoe, Poplar Grove.
It's McChesney Park, not Mackesney Park.
Durand and Capron. Excessive runoff from
When will the fucking broadcast message handler get it right?
urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, country roads, farmland, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. And underpasses, country roads, farmland, as well.
Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention this was also for Rockford EAS. So.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is No Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather.